Good morning, mathematicians. Today we're going to work on lesson 15. We are going to relate arrays to tape diagrams to model the commutative property of multiplication. Let's take a look at our problem set. We are going to skip number 1 and number 2 right now and jump right to 3. Here I have a word problem. Don't forget to show that you are reading the problem. It says, Grace picks 4 flowers from her garden. Each flower has 8 petals. Draw and label a tape diagram to show how many petals there are in total. Now, for this one, if you would like to draw a tape diagram, you may. However, if you just want to draw flowers, you can do that too. So the beginning part says that Grace picks 4 flowers from her garden. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 4 flowers. And it says that each flower has 8 petals. So there's one flower. Here's another flower. Here's another flower. And here's another one. So I have 4 flowers and each of them has 8 petals on them. So it's like taking 8 and adding it 4 times. So 4 times 8 is equal to something. Go ahead and count the petals to see what 4 times 8 is equal to. Don't forget to pause the video while you count and then replay when you're ready. So I see we know that there's 8 petals on the first one. So then there's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 on the second. Then 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24 with the third. Then 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. There are 32 petals in all. Don't forget to write that as a statement. So there are 32 petals. Let's take a look at number 4. It says Michael counts 8 chairs in his dining room. Each chair has 4 legs. How many chair legs are there all together? Go ahead and solve this one on your own. You may use a picture or you can draw a tape diagram to help you. Don't forget to pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. The first sentence says that Michael counts 8 chairs in his dining room. I'm not very good at making chairs, so I'm just going to make circles. Each chair has 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Told you I wasn't a good drawer. Now I need to figure out how many chair legs there are all together. So there was 4, and there are 8 chairs all together. So 4 times 8 is equal to something. So go ahead and let's count the legs. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So there are 32 legs. I'm going to write that as a statement. There are 32 legs Great job working on the problem set. Your assignment is to work on the homework sheet number 2. Check your work with the answer keys. When you're finished, that paper can go in your take-home folder on the Leave at Home side. Then I would like you to make sure that you fill out your exit ticket. Don't forget to put your name on it and turn it into the turn-in tray when you're done. Next, I would like you to complete the pattern sheet for lesson 15. Please make sure your name is on it and put it in the turn-in tray when you're done. Then you can work on the must-dos and can't-dos. See you tomorrow.